December, and we are unboxing the December Bargain Bead Box. It comes with a list of the items that are included on this month subscription box. And then it comes in the very chiffon bag. And in the back of the list of items, it comes with a description of this month theme, which is Winter Wonderland. It says it's chili blue and ice crystal combined for an elegant winter collection. Genuine quartz is our centerpiece with round natural point, remnants of icicle and stands of pale ice blue graduate round. Other highlight include sparkly cut glass snowflakes, knowing howlet, and winter crystal accent, antique silver finding, and the final touch. I'm sorry if I mispronounce anything. English is not my first language. The first item we have is a 4-piece 25 by 22 millimeter snowflake bling. They are very pretty. You can use these ones for earrings or necklaces or even a bracelet. They are very nice. The second item over here is 1 meter, 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter steel Lumenschina jewelry chain. It is a very, 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 very nice pattern. I don't know if you can see it. Zoom it in. It's so pretty. Very, very nice. The third item is 48 millimeters cut out round winter focal. This is very nice for necklaces, pendant. You can like add some hanging items and all that. It's very pretty for a necklace. Number 4 is 6 millimeter natural quartz crystal round bead, and it's very, very pretty, very shiny, super cool, super nice. You can do a bracelet or a necklace, earrings. You can do whatever you want with it. Number 5 is 6 better bead caps. They are really, really pretty too. I'm sorry, they're falling. Let me zoom in. Super cute, super nice. You can do this for bracelet, necklaces, anything you want to do with it. Number 6 is 10mm made natural howlet round beads. They are very pretty. They have some kind of like gray veins into it. They're very made. Super cool. Super nice to make the bracelet and then adding some other beads or adding to a necklace. Number 7 is 8.5 by 9.5mm snowflake beads. These are very cool, very nice. Let me zoom in. Very, very cute. They have a little hole there that you can use to make a bracelet or earrings. You can make a, adding it to even looking as a pendant, like going down. You can do a lot of things with this one. Number 8 is a 4x3 crystal round gel bead made ice blue. Very, very, very pretty. They are like transparent. Very, very nice. I really, really love them. Very pretty. Number 9 is an 18mm cut glass crystal snowflake pendant, Bermuda blue. And it is amazing. It is so pretty, so shiny. They have a little hole there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Got the little hole right there. So pretty. Very, 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 very pretty. And number 10, it is a 2-piece 14mm cut glass crystal snowflake pendant and the Bermuda blue. So this is a matching set for the pendant. A matching set. So you can do earring set and the necklace, or you can use it separate. You can do whatever you want with it. Number 11, we have a 17 by 23 snowflake cutout chandelier set. These you can use individually as one for a necklace with, you know, like hanging design, or you can use as a set for an earring set. They are very, very, very pretty, very nice. They don't really look like for Christmas, so I guess you can get away with it in another season, but they are very, very nice. Now we have the 12 item is 3-piece electro plate natural round quartz point. It is so pretty and so nice. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. You can use that to hang on a pendant or to use it or earrings. They are very, very pretty. The 13 is a 4mm crystal bicone bead, metallic blue iris. It is so beautiful, so pretty, so gorgeous, so sparkly, so nice. I love it, love it. You can use a necklace, you can do a bracelet, you can do everything you want with it. I'm thinking of making a necklace with it. So nice. The 14 is a 6x4mm crystal rondelle bead, still blue metallic iris. It is so pretty, so sparkly. Everything this month is like very sparkly, very festive, like for Christmas. So this is like so pretty. They are so shiny. You can use it for a necklace. You can use it for earrings, bracelet. So nice. Number 15. It is a 12mm half-made crystal coin bead, pale steel blue shimmer. And this is so pretty. Look at that. I like the design that they show us for the inside. It's so pretty. Number 16 is a 6mm crystal coin bead, slate blue green iris. It is like it changed tone while you move it. When you move it, it changed tone. It's like hologram thing. It is very nice. These you can use to, you can add it or mismatch it, but like these match with other beads that are in the same package. They're very cute. The 17, sorry, is a 5x2mm smooth rondelle spacer bead. So this is a very tiny bead, but very nice, very smooth finish. Very nice to put in between the beads to separate it. The 18 is a 38x9mm swerved link. It's a very nice link too. The way it's made, you can use it for earrings. So if you put it this way, you can use it for earrings and have some dangles or something hanging in here, like beads hanging in there. And you can probably use it for a necklace too. Let's see what can make with it. Number 19 is brass sweared toggle clasps. Very simple but very elegant one. Depends on which beads you use it. It can be elegant or it can be very casual too. It's very nice. And number 20 is a 6 14mm ice blue graduate round. With this one, they pretty much made a necklace for you. It's very simple. Let me just zoom it out. You see, like, the necklace is already pretty much done from big to small. If you don't want to add things to it, you can just add the clasps to it and have a very simple, nice necklace. I'm sorry. And this is everything that came for this month of Winter Wonderland. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, YouTubers.
So this was our December bead box unboxing. If you like this video, click that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can get notified when we post a new video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.